dear traders, today is Thursday, August 5th, and I'm online again with a fresh market review prepared for InstaForex. The main culprit of the US dollar's high volatility yesterday was Richard Clarida. He said that the US economy would have to deal with serious headwinds by the end of the year because of too high inflation and sluggish employment. In light of his remarks, the US dollar asserted strength against major currencies and gold. The US stock market responded to his comments with a moderate decline. Now let's discuss technical charts. What happened to gold yesterday? I was keeping long positions which I opened from the sharp bullish impulse after the US GDP data and the Fed's statements. My aim was to take the third upward wave. Yesterday evening the market was still ahead of Clarida's speech. The metal spiked before his speech. The spot price broke the high of June 29th. Future contracts also made a nice breakout. I didn't manage to close my positions. As a result, my positions closed with zero gains, though there were predictions for good returns. On the one hand, we still have the spot level. On the other hand, the futures level has been broken. If you hunt for stop orders, make sure you watch both the spot and the futures markets. You can fix a profit in that market where a breakout happens earlier. I mean, if there is a breakout in one of the markets, you should close positions shortly after. Let me show you the screenshot. Here are the upper sellers level and the lower buyers level. On July 5th, when we learned about the Fed's decisions and the USD GDP, the buyers left the level. I tried to earn from the third wave. It happened and broke upwards in the future market, and I didn't break in the spot market. Yesterday, Clarida spoke gold buyers. The price formed a small level for buyers. The big one is also in play, so the outlook is a decline to the small buyers level. If you believe in the bullish scenario, we could buy at a retracement in case there is buying pressure and take profit from sellers at the level of 1833. This is my trading idea if you are betting on gold strength. I have an alternative plan in case the market actually neglects Clarida's speech and moves upwards. If you have ambitious plans and hunt for high targets as you are interested in big gains, you should wait in which direction the price will break. If the price first breaks lows, it will spike later on and you will be able to earn 5,000 pips profit. If the price moves in the opposite direction, you will be able to hit the low target. So let's wait and put the best plan into practice. Silver also lost ground due to the Clarida's comments. The price closed with a pin bar yesterday. There are predictions for a decline in the near future. I still have a big plan betting on silver growth. I haven't revised it yet. The euro-dollar pair responded vigorously yesterday. The pair left a slightly sloping line which could be broken, but we need a market catalyst for that. Today in the European session, I expected the pair to go on falling because commonly European institutional investors follow the news from yesterday's American session. When Clarida was speaking yesterday, European investors were sitting in bars and drinking beers, being away from work, so they adjust trading decisions for the news of the previous day. The pound sterling is set to trade with higher volatility today as the Bank of England is due to make an interest rate statement. I have the same plan for this trading instrument. I want to open long positions at a retracement. I will certainly grasp this opportunity when it arises. The dollar-yen pair is likely to grow. Today, on Thursday, we await US initial employment claims. Tomorrow, the market is alert to US non-farm payrolls. My big trading idea for the dollar-yen pair is a breakout of the highest level of the last year. I believe this price action is still in the cards. Let me remind you that the highlight of the week in US non-farm payrolls. I'm especially interested in the gold dynamic. Traders are puzzled about Clarida's remarks. Manage your risk. See you online soon. Bye bye.